Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make this heartbeat monitor using Arduino. To build this project you need Arduino Uno, TFT LCD screen, pulse sensor. To begin with, I'll 3D print the frame for this project. You can find the link to STL files in the description box below. Start by uploading the program to Uno. Make sure you have all the libraries pre-installed. And then by referring the circuit, make the circuit connections. After the connections are complete, test the circuit and then proceed installing these parts inside this 3D printed case. Finally, test the project following these instructions. That was all about building this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.